Hello, how are you today? Well, I'm still recovering from my back injury. It is much better, and I had a lot of fun answering questions, and I have a ton of questions left to answer. So I'm going to be tackling all of those in the next few days. So if you asked a question and I didn't get to it, I will be getting to it. But I have a callback for a commercial. Commercials, companies still want to put out commercials, but they have to get people who are somewhat tech savvy to do it themselves. So I have a callback for a commercial, and they want to see my space, which would be wonderful in my studio, except that my studio looks like this right now. And I thought that I would be setting up in this area because this is where I have the best light, and I planned on setting up the bedroom area. Well, I shouldn't use air quotes. It will be a bedroom when I have guests in here. So I had planned on setting up the bedroom area over here because it's got the prettiest light and the prettiest view. But I just discovered that we still have water problems coming in, and they're going to have to be addressing that in the next day or two. So I'm going to set things up on the opposite side, which currently looks like this. Yeah. You know what they recommend not doing when you have a back injury? Moving furniture. Guess what I'm doing today? I'm going to be careful, but I have to set up an area that looks pretty for shooting in, and it's got to be done today, and the only person to So now we have the absolute chaos of the basement, and then one artificially serene spot. Okay, it looks like we may have a temporary working space set up here in the basement. It might be a little echoey sound-wise, and at some point I will start hanging curtains and laying more fabric around to try to absorb that sound. But I feel like we are off to a good start. That camera is a little crooked, so I'm going to adjust. And we'll see how that works and take it from there. Hopefully I'm all in focus and everything, and that is not. Now we're going to try it with a couple of practicals on and see if that improves the look. I should probably be covering up this bottom. I'm probably getting a reflection there. So we should cover that up. I'll figure something out for that. And let's try it without the ring light now. And here we are with just natural lighting. I am positioned about 1 foot away from the window. Well, maybe more about 18 inches. And so that's how that looks. Just natural lighting. Well, all in all, I think that went fairly well. It's not perfect, obviously. The bed's not really made. And it's sure wrinkly from being in a box for a month. But it's not bad. I feel like I'm set up. I have a space that I can start making videos that doesn't look too terrible. And it's got some nice light, and hopefully it passes muster for my audition. So I'm gonna go sit for a little while and rest my back, and then I'll put some makeup on, and then I may be answering some more questions so that I have some more rainy day answers for you. I love you bunches. I hope you have an awesome rest of your day, and I will talk to you very, very soon.